you ever gotten a check 100 or check 100 RF on your Honeywell alarm system? Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you what might cause this coming up next. Hey everybody, your favorite neighborhood alarm tech, Jon Boroughs with Alarm System Store, back again to tell you a few things that might cause a check 100 or check 100 RF on your Honeywell alarm system. This has to do with your wireless. If you've got a system you've added a wireless receiver to, or you don't have any wireless and you're getting this message, I'm going to tell you a couple things what might cause that. The first thing is, if you don't have a receiver connected to your panel, you may have inadvertently gone into programming and set a zone to be a wireless zone, so therefore it's looking for a wireless device, and that will cause the panel to throw this message. Another thing that might cause this would be your receiver, your wireless receiver is not configured correctly. Or another thing along those lines is that the wiring might be incorrect between your receiver and the panel. The last thing that might cause this issue would be your wireless receiver is failing. So those are a few things that might cause a check 100 RF on a Honeywell system, and stay tuned for future videos where we might go into further depth on these. Thanks guys, this has been Jon Boroughs Alarm System Store. You have a good day.